Thank you for joining me for episode 5, using a portable fire extinguisher. My name is Dr. David Ayers, and this is the Occupational Safety Leadership Podcast. Let's get started. So in today's very small safety short, we're going to talk about the PASS, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. So think about a portable fire extinguisher. You find them hanging all over the place. We're not going to talk about the various classes or anything. What we're just going to do is say this is exactly how that we're going to use a portable fire extinguisher. So the first P, the only P, is we're going to pull the pin. It's going to have a tamper seal. The tamper seal is easily broken. You pull the pin, discard the pin, you now have a live fire extinguisher. The A is going to be you're going to aim at the base of the fire, not the top. But think about if it's some burning trash. You're aiming at the base of the burning trash as opposed to the flame, which may be a couple of feet up in the air. The first S, we're then going to squeeze the handle. Once you squeeze the handle, whatever the contents are going to come out. And whether that's water, CO2, foam, dry chemical, whatever's inside that extinguisher is going to come out. And then finally, we sweep the base of the fire. Acronym PASS, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. And that's it for today's really fast safety short, episode 5, using a portable fire extinguisher. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for many more to come.